Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Abbas and you are watching Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. So today our topic is who plus whose plus noun. So in this video I am going to explain whose plus noun. Now what is whose plus noun and what is the usage of it, how to use it, where to use it and why do we use it, what is the purpose of using this, right? So now I am going to explain in this video. So let's come to the topic. So here we are with the topic whose plus noun. अब whose plus noun क्या है, इसका क्या मतलब है, कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं, कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं और क्यों इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो देखिए whose is an interrogative adjective. According to the grammar, whose is an interrogative adjective. ग्रामर के लिहाज से ये whose जो है ये हमारे पास interrogative adjective है. अब adjective और noun पर मैंने ऑलरेडी वीडियो बनाई है, डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया हुआ है. अगर आपने देखी नहीं है तो आप देख सकते हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन से. Whose plus noun is used to ask about the owner of something. Whenever we want to know about the owner of something, then we use whose plus noun. जब भी हम चाहते हैं कि किसी चीज़ के मालिक के बारे में जान सके, किसी चीज़ के मालिक के बारे में जान सके, तो फिर हम whose plus noun को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. किसी शख्स की मलकियत, अगर हम चाहते हैं कि ये किसकी मलकियत है, अगर हम चाहते हैं कि ये किसकी मलकियत है या फिर हम पूछते हैं ये किसकी मलकियत है, तो फिर हम whose plus noun को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. स्ट्रक्चर को देखिए. whose plus noun plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb first form plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. So this is the structure of whose plus noun. Is this clear? See the example. Whose book is this? Now I want to know about the owner of a book, right? I want to know about the owner of a book. Whose book is this? It is Ahmad's book. It is Ahmad's book. After replying, after asking the question, asking the question, whose book is this? I came to know that, it is Ahmad's book. It is Ahmad's book. It's, the owner of that book is Ahmad. That book belongs to Ahmad. Is this clear? Whose book is this? मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये बुक किसका है. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि ये बुक किसका है. तो फिर हमें चाहिए कि हम क्वेश्चन बनाएं whose के साथ. whose plus noun. ये बुक जो है ये हमारे पास नाउन है. जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं who plus noun. ये बुक हमारे पास नाउन है. whose book is this. ये किताब किसका है. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि ये किताब किसका है. तो फिर हम whose plus noun के साथ क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं. whose plus noun, you can see whose plus noun auxiliary. ये is जो है ये हमारे पास auxiliary है. क्या है? auxiliary है. whose book is this? It is Ahmad's book. It is Ahmad's book. मुझे पता चला कि ये बुक अहमद का है. कैसे पता चला? जब मैंने क्वेश्चन किया whose के साथ, whose book is this. जब मैंने क्वेश्चन किया कि ये किताब किसका है, it is Ahmad's book. ये अहमद का किताब है. मुझे पता चला कि ये अहमद का किताब है. ठीक है. See another example. Whose marriage did you go to? Whose marriage did you go to? Now I want to know whose wedding party did you attend, right? I want to know that whose marriage did you go to. So I should make a question that whose marriage did you go to? Here you can see, marriage. It is a noun, right? It is a noun. Auxiliary, subject, verb, right? Verb. And rest of the sentence. As you can see in the structure, right? Whose and whose. Noun, marriage is noun. Auxiliary, did is auxiliary. Subject, you is subject. Go is verb. So according to the structure, I made a sentence. I made a question that, whose marriage did you did you go to? Whose marriage did you go to? So I want to know about that. Whose wedding party did you attend? So see the replay. I went to Ali's marriage. I went to Ali's marriage. I came to know that, I came to know after you replied me, I came to know that you went to attend the wedding party of Ali's, right? Wedding party of Ali. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि see whose marriage did you go to. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि आप किसके शादी पर गए थे. आप किसके शादी पर गए थे. I went to Ali's marriage. मैं अली के शादी पर गया था. मैं अली के शादी पर गया था. ठीक है. We have note here. We have got a note here. What does it say? It says that whose is a contraction form of who is. Here we got whose, who, this whose and this whose, they have the same pronunciation. The pronunciation of these words are same, right? So then there is a difference is that here we have whose and this whose is a contraction form of who is. Contraction means short form, right? Short form of who is. नोट क्या बता रहा है हमको? whose is a contraction form of who is. ये whose जो है ये हमारे पास शॉर्ट फॉर्म है किसका? who is का. who is का. Is this clear? See the example. Who's laughing? Who's laughing? Here it means that he who is laughing. Who is laughing? But this is a contraction form of who is, short form of who is. Now we want to know that who is laughing. We can hear that somebody is laughing, but we don't know. We are not sure that who is laughing. So we want to know who is laughing or who is laughing. Ahmad is laughing. Ahmad is laughing. Here it doesn't mean that we do not want to know about the owner of something. We want to know that who is laughing. Is this clear? Who's laughing or who is laughing? हम जानना चाहते हैं कि कौन हंस रहा है. कोई तो हंस रहा है लेकिन हमें पता नहीं है कि कौन हंस रहा है. हमारे पास इसका मतलब है whose. इसका मतलब है who is. ये whose जो है ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म है. शॉर्ट फॉर्म है किसका? who is का. कौन हंस रहा है? अहमद हंस रहा है. अहमद is laughing. अहमद हंस रहा है. See another example. Who's that? Who's that? It means who is that? Who is that? We want to know that who is that. We don't know about a person. We don't know about a person. We want to know about him or her, right? We should make a question that who's that or who is that? Who is that? That is Gino. That is Gino. We came to know that a person who about whom we didn't know. Now we come to know that that is Gino. That is Gino. हम जानना चाहते हैं who is that? वो कौन है? एक शख्स है, हमें पता नहीं है उसके बारे में, तो फिर हम जानना चाहते हैं कि वो कौन है. Who is that? Who is that? That is Gino. Gino. That is Gino. वो Gino है. तो here is whose का यह मतलब नहीं है कि हम किसी चीज के मालिक के बारे में जान सके. यहाँ इसका मतलब है कि वो कौन है. हम शख्स के बारे में मालूमात देता है. शख्स के बारे में मालूमात देते हैं who is. तो फिर हम इसके साथ क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं who's that और who is that. कभी हम जब भी हमें पता नहीं है कि वो कौन है तो फिर हम क्वेश्चन करते हैं who is that. वो कौन है? That is Gino. वो Gino है. Is this clear, guys? So this was the end of video. Now if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your questions. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Thank you.